What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a long month since I've uploaded anything on here, and I have some really good explanations as to why. Well, let's just start by saying I've had a really busy month with my job. We're actually opening up a new location, so I've been kind of focusing my attention on that. It's very important, and trying to do my job very well. The other reason is that Camaro has actually been out of action for about 2 weeks. And I'm about to explain the title of this video right now and letting you know that it is true. The Camaro was in a little accident, and no, it was not my fault. And I'll explain it right now. It's a little weird story, but very common on YouTube apparently, because it happens to a lot of people, it seems like. Now, a lot of things fall off trucks on the highway, on streets. It just happens. People don't strap things down properly, or things just happen. They fly off the bed of the truck. And well, I guess they were doing construction on 75 somewhere, or a construction driver was driving through 75, and a yield sign, like the orange construction triangular yield signs, had flown off the truck. And my girlfriend and I were on the way home from my nephew's first birthday, which is supposed to be a fun day. You know, I decided it was a really pretty day out. Let's bring the car, a nice little drive to Boca from here down in South Florida. And I figured, you know what, it'd be a fun day to bring the car, show it off a little bit. It was looking real clean, and that blue just never gets old. And it was a nice cruise. Sorry for the wind, by the way, if it takes effect in the video. Now, we're on 75. We're heading towards Griffin, if you know about the South Florida area. Heading towards Griffin exit, and the car in front of me, I was not tailgating, swerved very last minute. And when that happened, I was obviously looking to see what he swerved for. By the time I saw why he swerved, because it looked like he lost control, by the time I saw why he swerved, there was that big sign that took up almost the entire lane, which was going for, at the moment, like the middle of my car. And I swerved as hard as I could. Now, you're going 80 miles an hour. There's not much time to react. I did the very best I could, and I swerved hard. And to make sure I didn't go into traffic, you know, it's tough. You don't want to swerve in the middle of the highway and you hit somebody. That'll be just worse. And thank God he missed it, because had he hit the sign, it could have flown back at me, hit my windshield, killed us, hurt us, spun my car out. I don't know. Just would have been really bad had he done that. And I'm thankful the damage was minimal. But basically, I swerved. It clipped my left side of my front bumper, the driver's side, and well, it got about the entire left side, the splitter and all. And I'll show you right now a little video, because I brought the car into my good friends at Pro Quality Collision. I'll show you now the video. You're going to see me change clothes right now. That's because I did this about a couple days later. And you're going to see exactly the damage. And I'll show you right now. See here, the Camaro has been damaged. All over here, cracked the bumper. My light is gone. And the splitter is cracked absolutely in half. So the damage wasn't too bad. I did lose a left reflector light, so I had to get a new one of those. Obviously, I was in need for a whole new front end, and a lot of people were like, hey, go for the Z01 Icon Motorsports front end package. And I was like, I'm looking into that. American Authority makes one, they make one. I couldn't really find too many other brands. I heard people's reviews on them. I've heard problems with them. I've heard good things about them. So you're always gonna get mixed reviews with everything. And I saw a couple in person at Cars and Coffee about a few months ago, so I know what they look like. Now, a lot of people are going to say, oh, they fit great, I love mine, whatever, and I heard that too, and I believe it. It's just the thing about aftermarket front ends is that they may not fit the right way, or, you know, they were saying you have to paint the crash bar, if you want to call that bar in the front, behind the styrofoam. You have to paint that black, or else you're going to see through it, and it doesn't fit right, and some places will look like gaps in between, and it's hard to explain. But at the end of the day, I kind of looked at that, and I was like, you know what, it was a little risky if it was or was not going to look right. And honestly, going factory is kind of always the best way to go, because you know it's going to fit and you know it's going to look right. And I liked the way this car looked already, and you know, I was down with doing the same way, so I went with the SS front end. To show you, I did throw a couple of modifications on recently. One with the front end to kind of make it look different, at least going in the shop and paying out of pocket. At least when I got the car back, it would look somewhat different, like I paid for something to be different. And also, before my accident, I had thrown on a brand new grill, which if you follow me on Instagram, you know exactly what's been going on. You know about the grill, you know about this little side window thing that I did. And this is just a recap for you. But I did put a side window decal, and I did put a new front grill. I think it's called the GM Anniversary Grill. It's got the two lines of the color matching and kind of like holes that resemble a Z06 grill in some ways. But the front end looks really good. I'm going to show you right now. I just wanted to update you on what's been going on, why the car was out of commission, and a lot of people are interested in seeing the new front end. So let's take a look at it. Oh yeah, there it is. Alright guys, so this is the new front end. Obviously with the SS front end, like I said, keeping it stock, and doing a ZL1 front splitter from ACS Composite. Honestly, I am really impressed with the splitter. It came primered, so Pro Quality Collision, my friends there, painted it for me to kind of match the satin mirrors. It looks incredible. It gave this front end, let me crouch down real quick, it gave it that like really just like aggressive look, and I think it was what the car was missing the entire time. I was a fan of the factory 1LE splitter, but I'm a much bigger fan of this one even more, and I think it's just, you don't even need I was going to get a chin splitter before that, you know, would stick out with the bars, but I think this one's just perfect the way it is. It's long as hell, so I'll show you a little side profile. It's pretty damn like big, but it looks really clean, looks really aggressive, and it just goes so well with the car. This ran me about $468 versus the factory one was about $400. So, I mean, this was primered, so I did have to pay for paint, but still pretty worth it, and I'm loving it a lot. And then as you can see, there's the new grill. You can get a little closer view. It looks really, really good. Figure I'd separate it from the rest of the 1LEs, make it look a little different. So, that's the new front end right there. And then I do want to take you over here to the side. You can see my new light. I'm going to put my tint strip on there that I have the replacement. And then here is the new side decal for those of you who have not seen it yet. I'll put the link for all of these things as well. The grill, the splitter, and the quarter window decal. So I didn't have the car for about a week, but thankfully to my good friends at Pro Quality Collision, I'm always repping their stuff around town. They hooked me up and they got me in and out within a week, and I missed the hell out of that car the whole week. I was driving the Ram for a while, missing driving stick and driving that car. It's just so much fun. Never a dull moment in this car. And I'm just very happy with the results, very happy to have it back. I'm thankful that the accident that I had was very minor and not major damage, because like I said, it could have been much worse. I'm just happy we're safe and the car is back to the way it was. I'm not bashing the ZL1 front end conversion. I think they're really badass. It just wasn't for me personally, and I'm very happy with the results I got. I will put the link, like I said, for the splitter on ACS Composite. I got the grill on Fast Tech Performance, like my favorite store ever. And then I did get the decal, believe it or not, on eBay. So I'll put all of those there, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I know it wasn't really action-packed. I know we haven't been doing that much action-packed stuff lately, and I promised all this stuff. It's just between my schedule, Manny's schedule, all my other friends' schedules, it's really tough to kind of meet with them right now. Coming soon, though, there will be. I have Manny's car unveiling coming soon. I know we've been really behind on anything with Manny, just because, like I said, our schedules are really polar opposite. So it's all coming very shortly, guys, I promise. I just thank you so much for your amazing support, continued through this month. About a month ago, we had 1,600 and something subscribers. Now I'm at 1,832. So just very thankful. I apologize for the wind again. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. If you could, please hit that like button. It helps us out a lot. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Check out our other videos on the channel as well. This Camaro has a lot more mods on the way. And we're going to be doing some side skirts, some power mods, and a little front end mod that I just found out that I wanted to do. So that'll be coming soon as well. Thank you guys. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next one, and drive safe. Guys, real quick before we hang up, I do want to tell you, gearheadsapparel.com is now live. Check it out. Link down below. Get yourself a shirt. We got gray, we got blue, we got small through extra large. I apologize, I'll be getting bigger sizes soon. We got more designs coming. We got hats, so I stopped wearing my enthusiast hat, even though I love my enthusiast hat. Thank you guys for watching again. Take care. Have a great day. Check out our website.